In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring transaction for payments or invoices. Setting up recurring transactions is a fantastic way to streamline your financial management and ensure that you never miss a payment or billing cycle, especially if you have regular obligations or clients with consistent billing. Let's get started with creating a new recurring payment or invoice. First, you'll need to access the main menu. Look for the gear icon, which typically represents settings or tools in your application. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, navigate to the recurring transaction section. This area is where you will manage and create all your recurring financial commitments. Now that you're in the right place, you should see an option to create a new recurring transaction. This is where you'll specify whether you're setting up a payment or an invoice. Let's say you're setting up a recurring invoice for a client. Select the appropriate option on your screen. This will guide you to a detailed template form. Here you'll need to fill out all the necessary details. It's crucial to be thorough at this stage. You'll enter the client's information, describe the services or products you're billing for, and, of course, specify the amount. Make sure that these details are accurate to avoid any future confusion or discrepancies in your billing process. Once you've entered all the required information, the next step is to set a schedule. Setting a clear and structured schedule is vital. Consider the frequency that best suits your needs. Do you need this transaction to occur weekly, monthly, or perhaps annually? This will depend on your specific obligations or business model. When determining the start date, it's important to select a time that aligns with your cash flow needs or the agreement you have with your client. With the schedule in place, take a moment to double check your entries. This simple step can save you from potential errors and ensure a smooth operation. After verifying everything is correct, you'll want to save your new recurring transaction. Once saved, this transaction will automatically be processed according to the schedule you've defined, freeing you from the manual task of creating each transaction individually. This automation helps in maintaining consistency and efficiency in your financial operations. It also provides you peace of mind knowing that your payments or billings are timely, which is critical to maintaining good relationships with vendors or clients. And there you have it, a recurring transaction set up in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your finances with ease.